All right, so I thought it'd be good to include an introduction for Chapter 23, Transoceanic Encounters and Global Connections. There's six things here that is really kind of the overall focus. The first thing is the knowledge, scientific learning, and technology from the classical Islamic and Asian worlds spread to Europe and was combined to make transoceanic travel and trade more possible. So that is very important, especially when it comes across hemispheres. The Portuguese development of maritime technology led to an increase in trade with Africa and Asia, creating a global trading post empire, which we'll talk about more. And then North Atlantic crossings were undertaken under English, French, and Dutch sponsorship, often with the goal of finding alternative sailing routes to Asia. Also, the new connections between the eastern and western hemispheres resulted in the exchange of new plants, animals, and diseases, known as the Columbian Exchange. Populations in Afro-Eurasia benefited nutritionally from the increased diversity of American food crops, and empires achieved increased scope and influence around the world, shaping and being shaped by the diverse populations they incorporated. So, what's important to note here is, especially in this chapter, but for this entire era in general, it's about that connection between Eastern and Western hemispheres. For the first time, um, all of the biomes essentially around the world are connected. We're able to map the planet for the first time. And what's going to happen is this exchange of different items is going to be beneficial, especially for Europe, as Europe essentially starts to create a foothold of controlling, or at least greatly influencing the world. I'll see you for the first heading.